What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Two Wheeled Rider YouTube channel. My name is Mario Orsini, and we finally got rid of some motorcycles. So I mentioned in a video recently we were going to get rid of Kristen's Kawasaki Ninja 650. That bike is gone. And one thing I haven't mentioned yet is I am joined by a special guest, number 46 himself. I've got Noah here with me tonight. No, I'm looking around the garage and it seems like there's a couple other bikes missing. What am I missing here?
The 265s are gone.
The 265s are out of the garage. I think we need to explain.
Yeah.
So last year was Noah's first year on a 65. He was still racing the Pee Wee class in the 50s. This was his first year on the 65 only. He's had some decent finishes, but we just decided it was time to upgrade, and that's exactly what we've done. So we upgraded to a 2019 KTM 85 SX, and where'd we get it?
Ride On Moto.
Of course we did. And you can tell right here, we've already put the Enduro Engineering, and Ride On Moto sells their own version of Enduro Engineering bark busters. We've done a couple of small upgrades to it. We've changed the handlebar on it already. Earlier tonight we put a new spring on it because he's a little light and we need a little bit lighter spring, but this is what he's going to be riding for the rest of this year and for the next few years. Thank God this is the last mini bike I ever have to buy. So as you can see, the kid actually fits on it pretty well. Now this is the small wheel version. We can bump it up to big wheels later on. We can also, turn this thing into a 105 Super Mini. But let's see what Noah's got to say about it. All right, so you got to ride the bike a little bit. What are your thoughts?
Well, first it's way more comfortable because I have more room. It's faster, so I can get in the turns quicker and exit a little faster. And overall, I just like it so much more better than the 65. How
are the big wheels and the longer suspension and everything else?
It's so much easier because the 65 they had those little wheels. I didn't like them very much.
Anything else you want to say?
Yeah, big thanks to my dad for letting me do this, and I'm just so stoked to have this opportunity because most kids never get it. So I love it.
Alright guys, so anyway, you can tell Noah's excited. He is riding that bike way better than I've seen him ride a 65. We're probably going to miss the next couple of rounds racing, and then we'll put him into some more wide open tracks to, kind of let him get his feet wet racing the 85. But we finally cleared out some space in the garage. We're actually going to be moving out of this garage, I'm hoping within the next 2 months, over into the big shop where we're going to have everything set up exactly the way I want it. But in the meantime, we'll deal with this, and we got rid of 3 bikes and only added 1. And of course it was another KTM. So I think we're going to play around a little bit on bikes for a little while tonight. I might throw a little bit of footage in at the end, but if I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button, because if you like motorcycles, well, this is the place to be. Got any comments about the 85? Let me know down in the comments section below. And as always, I'll talk to you again soon.